Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to use Google Trends on your phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Chrome browser. So I'm going to simply open up my Chrome browser right here. So I'm going to click on here to open up my Chrome browser. Have you opened up your Chrome browser? Next thing you need to do is to come to the address search bar right here and type in Google Trends. Then click on search. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on Google Trends. So it's going to take you to the interface right here. Now there are a lot of things you can do with Google Trends, but mostly you can use Google Trends for personal research or business research, or what is actually trending based on your country or any other part of the world. Let's, for instance, you want to switch from your primary country by default right here to another country and search for what is trending there. What you need to do is to click on the location icon right here. Having clicked on the location icon, you have different country right here. So you can decide to choose any of the country right here. Let's say Sudan. So having choose on the Sudan, you can see it has changed to the world, just like so. Now, this is what is actually trending now in Sudan. We can simply scroll down and see more information about what is trending in Sudan. Okay, now there are much more ways to explore Google Trend as far as Google Trend is concerned. For us to explore Google Trend on our phone, we have to make sure we click on this three slider right here. Then take us right here. So right here, you can click on explore right here. So under the explore, it's take you right here. Now you can see by default, because I have changed from my country to Sudan, this is why I have this information from the home page right here. Now, if you really want to explore the intelligence of using Google Trend, what you need to do is to click on this icon right here. So when you click on that, it brings out some variety information, just like what you see right here, such as country, period, category, and the Google property. Now you can filter your search history based on country, based on period, based on category, and the property as the case may be. Now let's start from country right here. So if I switch from Sudan right here, I can decide to search for information worldwide. And for me to do that, simply click on worldwide right here. So click on that. Having clicked on worldwide, then allow it to load up. Then you have the information of what is actually trending worldwide in Google. So right here, you can see from the top right here, exam topic, 2025 topic, Amazon topic, YouTube channel topic, and Donald Trump topic as at the time of making this video. Okay, now if we want to really explore what is actually trending in the past of many years ago, because this is just 12 months ago. So what we want to do is to click on here again. Now we want to change from this period of 12 months to something like, so select 30 days and then allow it to load up. Then you have the result of what is actually trending in the last 30 days. You can see it right here. So YouTube channel, ICC champion, New Zealand, Ramadan topic, etc. Then right here, you have some other sport information at the bottom right here. Now you can decide to check on the top one by click on Rising right here. Click on Rising and then select top. So you have what is actually top as at that period of time. So these are top 5 trending topics that you can simply work on if you are a content creator or marketing research. So you can click on here to swipe and see more and more. The more you click, the more information is going to drop down in the section right here. It's that simple. Then we can simply go back to this icon right here again and actually click on here. And then now we want to do about the category. So click on category. Now this is depends on the kind of information you are looking for, either entertainment or vehicles, beauty, books and literature, business, computer electronics, finance, food and drink, and games, etc. You You can scroll down and see more category as far as Google search is concerned. Now, if you are looking for information about shopping, hit on shopping, and you are going to get information about shopping in the last 30 days, just like what you see right here. So what is actually trending in shopping section, you can scroll down and see it right here. So the first one deal here is laptop bag deal. You can click on rising right here. This allows you to see top rising. So this is Amazon at the top right here. That is to tell you that the most searchable topic on Google as at the time of making this video is Amazon in the last 30 days right here. So you can come back here and revise your search. So click on there and you can come to Google property right here. So under Google property, this is where you see web search, image search, news search, Google shopping, and YouTube search. Here, this is depends on the platform you want to get your information from. Let's say, for instance, you want to get your information from Google Shopping. Click on Google Shopping right here. You will be able to get the real information about Google Shopping in the last 30 days. So you can scroll down and see details about it right here. So then click on rising right here and check on the top rising. So right here you have men, Nike, Adidas, shoes, and tennis. These are highest purchase products in the last 30 days from Google Shopping Store. It's that simple. You can use this method to get information from different parts of Google search. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.